How to add a calendar to Wix. So I have in here my Google Calendar. If you want to add your Google Calendar to your Wix website, you can head over and then just go to calendar.google.com and you can see in here your calendar. We have in here this calendar options. We have in here calendars for ourselves, birthdays, as well as my own calendar, tasks, as well as holidays. For example, for this case, let's add in here the holiday calendar. Click onto the three dots added and click on settings. From in there, you can see in here the permissions and anyone can see events, plus a calendar ID, and in here we can see the embed code. Copy in here the embed code, click on it, right click, and then click on copy. Once you have done that, head back right here to our actual Wix site and click on this plus icon. And head over to click add, scroll down, and then add the iframe right here in their site. Now click onto this enter code, and then input right here the code that we have gotten from the calendar itself. Then click on update and it should be able to give us our actual calendar right here. So just resize it according to your liking. So that's how you add a calendar to Wix. Hope we helped.